There's nothing worse than a phone mount that doesn't stay in place and comes crashing down. I'm Alicia with WTI, and this phone mount from Elitehood has a pump-style vacuum suction base that creates a really secure seal on smooth surfaces. It works directly with MagSafe, but also includes adhesive magnets for other phones and cases. Unlike a clamp-style suction, there's a white indicator line that lets you know that it is secure. And if it ever starts to lose its suction, you just press the pump again to tighten it back up. The mount itself feels sturdy because the base and arm are made from aluminum. The magnetic connection makes it really easy to attach or remove your phone quickly, but still holds it securely. It is super adjustable with 3 rotating joints, so you can position your phone vertically, horizontally, and at literally any angle. It makes it convenient for your navigation, music, hands-free calls, or even content creation. This is a sturdy, adjustable phone mount that feels super secure, and that's my point of view.